Hey everyone, this is Mousumi and welcome back to another exciting video. In most of the videos, I talk about how we should do makeup or how we should prep our skin before doing the makeup. But I haven't ever talked about how we should take off the makeup. I know, makeup করতে সকলেরই ভালো লাগে কিন্তু makeup তুলতে বড়ই ল্যাদ লাগে, at least আমার তো লাগে. So in most of the cases, we ignore taking care of our skin post makeup. So in today's video, we will see how I get unready and we'll share some skincare tips also with you guys. So let's get into the video right now. So first, start with taking off the falsies. বড় একটা বোঝা হয়ে গেল যদি I know. Now I will be using a cleanser from True Frog. নামটাই বেশ মজাদার. So this is a gel-based cleanser which turns into the milky one if you add water to it. You just need to take a few pumps on your palm and warm it up on your hands first. It will turn into an oil-like texture. If you have makeup on, I would suggest not to use any water. Rather rub it gently on your dry face to remove all the makeup and dirt. Rub it very gently on your neck also, wherever you have applied the makeup. And oh my god, this cleanser is so দুর্দান্ত, you won't believe guys. দেখতেই পাচ্ছ কত heavy makeup করা ফেসে, but without any pressure or any extra effort, it is just removing all the makeup so nicely. Actually, it is reminding me of the List Oat Cleansing Balm, which is an international brand and super amazing, obviously, like this one. But this True Frog cleanser is non-expensive, unlike the List cleanser. So yeah, this is so good. So now take off this gandegi using any makeup removing pad or towel, anything. It will come off very easily. And by the way, it has ingredients like carrot root extract and grape extracts, and it is suitable for all skin types. So now see, 90% of the makeup is gone, but this is not it. আরো একটু কষ্ট করতে হবে আর খাটতে হবে. So this is called double cleansing method. First I have used a gel-based cleanser and now I will be using a water-based cleanser which is also from True Frog. Okay, let me tell you about this brand. True Frog is Bangalore based and they are vegan and cruelty-free and planet-friendly also. Which attracted me the most about this brand is they are true to their customers. They serve what they promise. That's their foremost priority, to be true to you and to themselves also. So yeah, it has gained my trust at the first sight only. So this face wash has ingredients like lentil seed extract and chickpea seed natural, and this face wash is absolutely perfect for oily and acne prone skin. So yeah. So this double cleansing method has helped me to remove all the makeup and dirt from my skin very nicely. So makeup removing part is done now. What you need to do to take care of your skin is to massage your face, and for that you will be needing a facial oil. And the facial oil I have chosen is also from True Frog. True Frog is actually a well-known brand for their hair care and skincare products. So trying out this new product is really helping me recently a lot, as they are any chemical like sulfate, silicone, paraben free. So it works best for my skin. Now the question is, why should we massage our face? When we do our makeup, একটা প্রেশার তো স্কিনে পড়ে, আর আমি তো অলমোস্ট এভরিডে মেকআপ করি. So massaging my face relaxes the muscles and it feels very soothing also, like yoga. So at least for 5 to 7 minutes I massage my face, not like any professionals obviously. I just stretch the muscles outwards so that there is no fine lines or any tension on my skin. And another most important part which I never skip at the night time especially, I use a sleeping mask. This is also from True Frog. It has ceramides and hyaluronic acid, so it makes your skin very hydrating. Just apply it all over your face and neck, keep it overnight and then wash it off. It's perfect for sensitive skin, especially as it has anti-inflammatory properties. You can use it as a daytime moisturizer as well. So yeah, and the best part is it has no fragrance. So here it proves that they are true to you. So yeah, this is how I get unready and take care of my skin after doing my makeup. I get a lot of messages asking whether doing makeup harms our skin. Yes, it does if you do not take care of your skin before and after doing your makeup. So yeah, but a proper skincare routine is the savior which keeps your skin healthy and glowy whether you do makeup or not, and also saves you from any harmful makeup products because not everyone can afford expensive makeup products. So yeah, and by the way, it also depends on which skincare product you are choosing. If you do like these products which I have used today, you can definitely check them out from the description box below for further details. And I have also put down the link of the True Frogs website, so you can check out their other products also. Choose your skincare products according to your skin type and then use them wisely. So yeah, so let me know in the comment section if this video was helpful for you guys, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you never miss any update from my channel. See you guys in my next video. Till then, take care of your skin, take care of your health, and bye bye.